Okay, so let's move on to next tutorial, and we're gonna continue some more calculation of coordinates. So yeah, let's define few coordinates first. O at origin, and then again P at 5 comma 0, and let's say we're gonna define another coordinate called M, but this time I wanna like say O and 2 centimeter 90 degree of coordinate P. So coordinate P, and let's draw a circle at there. So fill at M circle 2 point. So let's run it first. So as you can see there is a dot, but let's draw firstly a line from O to P. So yeah, as you can see this coordinate is called O, this coordinate is called P, and there is a coordinate called M which is at the 90 degree and at a height of 2 centimeter from the O coordinate. So 90 degree here it is defined like 90. If you change to 60 or 30, maybe let's say 60 degree, so it will move towards like rightward. Yeah, as you can see it moved towards rightward. So let's do some for each loop, then you will get some good idea how you can manipulate the angles of the coordinate. So for each angle in, let's say start from 0 degree, at every 10 degree we want a coordinate from 0 to 90, and then you can indent in like indentation is not important in Tikz. So yeah, let's see. So I think something is wrong. Oh yeah, let's move this coordinate point within the loop. Yeah, so for each loop we defined firstly a variable called \a, and this variable will loop through 0 to 90 degree at the interval of 10, and for each angle, or you can say for each value of a, this will define a new coordinate point called M, which is at the angle of a, its variable here, and M will temporarily will define a new coordinate, and at that point we're gonna make a circle. So let's run this. So as you can see O to P, O is here, P is here, and at the 2 centimeter distance and the angle of 0 to 90 we are gonna make like a small circles. As you can see it's making an arc, and you can make arrow as well. Let's say latex is basically a head of the arrow, and from origin, which is O, and from there to point M we're gonna make a arrow. So as you can see at every angle a arrow and a small circle is drawn, and so if you change like 2 centimeter to 3 centimeter maybe, so it will just increase the radius. So yeah, as you can see it's raised the radius to 3 centimeter, and it's rotating from 0 to 90 degree. And also you can just define like 0.5 1.5, like as we discussed earlier. 0.5 means O to P, and 0.5 will like calculate the midpoint of the OP, and then after it will take that as a distance. So yeah, as you can see this point is exactly at the midpoint of O and P, and then after it starts to rotate from 0 to 90 at the interval of 10 degree. You can just raise 30 as well, and then it will make fewer lines. as you can see. So this is how you will calculate like angular point with respect to other coordinate points. So let's make a perpendicular bisector of the line OP. So this coordinate should move upward like and replace this variable to 90 degree, and let's make a perpendicular line. So firstly for the perpendicular line you have to calculate another point. So for that let's copy this and name this like midpoint as it is, leave it like M. M is the midpoint of OP, and then after you can just change N which is the line you can just draw, or just leave it like that, and draw a perpendicular line. So draw from M, and you can just use relative coordinate as we discussed earlier. So relative coordinate is 90 degree and it's 5 centimeter or like 4 unit depending on the situation what you need. So this will make a perpendicular bisector. As you can see this point is the midpoint, and then after we defined a relative coordinate which is 90 degree and of the 3 unit upward, like as you can see. So this is how you can draw the perpendicular bisector. And if you want like a downward line, then also you can just say another line minus 90 degree you can say. So yeah, as you can see it's like perpendicular bisector of this coordinate point OP, or you can say line OP. So what if you want do this in a single command? How are we going to do this? So for that you will need like a calculation in the single point, like at M. Let's draw first. So you want to do this right here, so you can calculate within M, like M, then after you're gonna move downward, so downward 3 unit, and then let's do it. Or you can move here like 6 or 5 depending on the length of the perpendicular. So yeah, as you can see result is again the same, but here we did is we firstly grab the point M, and then after calculated like 3 unit downward. As you can see this is the coordinate calculation, that means ki M is here, but from there we moved 3 unit downward, and then from here we just moved 90 degree and 6 unit distance towards upward. That's where this line came from. So yeah, this is how you can manipulate point. And if you want to use absolute coordinating, then also you can do like just copy this complete coordinate and just paste, and this time you want 3 unit upward from this midpoint, so you need to just add +3, and this will again render the same line as you can see. So yeah, this is how you can manipulate perpendicular lines, or you can just shift here like angles, then you can make 60 degree, 30 degree depending on the need of your drawing. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.